We wear the mask, so we just, for the audience, so when they watch us, they have to watch us. They're forced to watch us as a whole, not as an individual.
Welcome to Chapel TV. Don't forget to get into that Chapel Walking merchandise selling today. JBWKZ.com.
VIP. Let's kick it. All right, stop.
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. Now when a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face.